Part 2. You could do part 2.
Okay, part 2. Now we have the Seattle Police Department with chains on, stuck at the bottom of the hill, with the cone laying next to it that got run over by the armed truck with chains that couldn't make it up the hill. And why, again, is there not a street sign at the bottom of our hill that says, street closed?
I stole the
Oh,
stone.
here comes another brave soul, gonna pass up that Seattle police officer. Come on, VW, Farfignugan! 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 Yeah! Woo! Uh-oh, sliding.
VW. Now this person has absolutely no traction.
Sliding, not tapping brakes. Not tapping brakes. Oh, he's doing pretty good, though.
He
Uh-oh,
is.
there's the...
Don't hit the water hydrant. Okay.
All right,
You
safe.
almost did it. Cut your wheels.